Okay, so I think we can now move on. We can go ahead and start our talk. Since we don't want this to be too long, um, I think it is time we discuss what we have to discuss today. So, like I mentioned, the, this live is to get in touch with you, with our audience, to be able to have you guys know us and we knowing you. And this is the lancecourse.com YouTube channel, and lancecourse.com is our website. So we'll come back on it, and that's in the third section of this presentation. So the first thing is about this live. What is the reason of this live? So one, we would like to have a channel that helps people, right? We have three main goals when it comes to this YouTube channel. Is one, to be able to explain concepts. It is very important for us at lancecourse.com to explain concepts. It is so important. It is the soul of our business. So it doesn't matter either the concept has been written or explained in a blog post or a YouTube video or in a particular school. It doesn't matter. We try our best in many ways to explain concepts the easiest possible and make it easy for people to grab and understand. So it is our core business at Lancecourse to explain concepts, and that's the purpose, one of the main reasons we have this YouTube channel. And then the next reason we have, uh, one of the second reason Lancecourse exists is sharing experiences. I think it is one of the main reasons why the website I started it then back then in 2015, which was to share my experience with other students. So sharing experience is very important for us, and if that's the case, it is also key that we try to present ourselves through these YouTube lives and be able to exchange with our audience in order to share our experiences. So it is very important. And this will bring us to the third reason, which is creating connections. So it's not about only you and us, but it's also about between you. So if through us, people can connect with other people, developers, scientists, and so on can connect with others, then we would have achieved our goal. So these are the main reasons we exist as lancecourse.com. And you might ask me now, why did you take long to come on YouTube? Indeed, we launched the website back then 2015, and it was only in 2020 when we set up the YouTube channel. And when we did, I think I failed to take care of the YouTube channel due to some life challenges, and then we were able to have about 16 subscribers, then only 16 subscribers. So until last 2 months, we decided to bring the channel back to life. So, and within the last this period, within that period, that's between the last 2 or 3 months or so to now, we are able to push the channel from the 16 subscribers to 280 something, I think like 87 or so, and it keeps on growing on a daily basis. And so that's what we can say now about the channel and the website. As you see, the website initially was called phpocean.com, and unfortunately, we decided to change that. Would I say unfortunately or fortunately? So the unfortunately part there is that we lost that domain name in the course of things, events. So we lost that domain name, and the main reason why we actually decided to change the name then was because we wanted a name that does not um, only talk about PHP. So PHP Ocean was sounding pure PHP. So we wanted a global name. So that was what pushed us to change the name from phpocean.com to Lancecourse. And that meant we had to maintain two domain names, and that was becoming challenging. So that's how we lost the phpocean.com. It's not like we actually wanted to throw it away, but it was becoming expensive. So at some point, things couldn't happen, and unfortunately, somebody was faster than us and grabbed the domain name. So please, if you had a link, if you linked one of your content to PHP Ocean, please, we would like you to update it into Lancecourse. So recently we made a pull request to PHP desktop GitHub repository PHP desktop, because we have one of the best tutorials on PHP desktop on the web. I think our article has about 400,000 views. So I think I've hidden the views here. So that's one of the best articles we've written on this website. So if you have your link to our site, please kindly try to update them. We are not PHP Ocean anymore. We are now Lancecourse. So um, now concerning myself, yes, I am Ahmed Salifu, and generally known as Zubuli. So when you read articles on Lancecourse, you see Zubuli, and that's me. So I usually use the short name Zubuli, but my full name is Ahmed Salifu. So I'm the one you usually hear in your tutorial videos you watch on YouTube. Uh, I am I am ready to hear your criticism or whatever you want me to do to improve the videos in order to make it easy for you to understand. So basically, that's what I would like to discuss today in this live. It was a short one, so the next ones we are now going to pick topics, actual serious computer science topics, and discuss them. And I hope to have you then. And in the meantime, I'll wait like 5 minutes to see if anybody comes up with any question, and then I'll close this live. So for this, for the meantime, let me also be browsing the website for you to see. So here, this is an ad blocker alert. So I just have to disable the ad blocker on the site and reload, and this alert will just vanish. Yes, so this gives me the peace to browse the site. And also, let me underline, at some point we introduced a payment option on the website, but right now we disabled that due to payment gateway issues. So now what we did was, what we've done is that um, you have ads on the website, all over the website, indeed, because we survive with ads. So please, when you're on the website, you can try to disable your ad blockers and allow the ads a little bit. That will help us. But in case you don't want the ads, you can simply sign up. So when you sign up and sign in, so you can see part of the features is that you will go ad free. So when you sign up, so let me zoom this in. When you sign up, you won't see any ads on the website. You won't see any ads. So you sign up, and anytime you are browsing the site, just sign in and the ads will disappear. Right? So this is one way. And the other way is just this disable your ad blocker. So that means you allow the ads to flow and you can be able to browse the website easily as well. So simply, to avoid the ads, just sign up. That's all it requires. It's nothing expensive. It is free to sign up, and you are not the only one to sign up. And we have currently the site has more than 3,000 users, and we are working hard to be able to keep you guys updated with our recent posts, because the emailing system is also costly. So these are some of the things we look at, and you might see that we hardly send emails these days. So maybe some of you have received some of our emails, but some did not receive because of the size. So basically, and other advantages you have when you sign up is that when you read the how-tos, so and we are going to expand that to other um, contents. So you can actually download the how-tos. So let's take this article. So you have a PDF button here. So when you see a PDF button, it means this article you can download it uh, in a PDF format. And also, um, some other articles have their source code along them. So like these videos we publish on YouTube, some of these source codes will be available on the website. So only members can be able to download them. So it is the being a member is not only to disable the ads, but you also have so many other benefits that come along. So basically that is it, and you can see the links like that. So you can see the PDF, the source, and a demo. So and we usually build demos for whatever project we work on and we publish, and then let you experience the actual demo. So we are continuing to work on this website because we undertook the upgrade of the website in 2020, and like I said, circumstances in life pushed us to pause the work, and then now we are back on it, and we are trying our best to update it as best as possible. And we are really trying to focus on content, more content and more content for you guys. There's so much we want to show you. There's so much we want to teach, but it's not easy. So we urge you to help us in any way. Like our videos, like our uh, YouTube channel videos, share them with people. Let us grow the audience. Through the audience, probably we'll get a helper around. So the only help, the smallest help I think we ask now is probably just give it a like, which does not cost any dime, or share a video with your audience, and that will help us massively. So I think that is it. I've spoken, and nobody so far has asked any question. So I'm glad. I am Ahmed again, aka Zubuli, and that has been a pleasure to be with you on this video. And on this note, I would like to close this live and see you in the next one.